mic. Saan malapit?
Baba niyo yung mic, baba niyo yung mic.
Kilo na bigas. Bakit? Sa Visayas,
Opo.
Nakikita natin na mahina yung mga senador ng administrasyon.
Doon sa crab huwag daw po kayo rally ng crab mentality. Anong sagot niyo doon?
Hindi yan na pagiging na mapagpuna. Nagsasabi ako ng totoo. It's a campaign promise, 20 pesos per kilo na rice. And ngayon lang in-implement na panahon ng eleksyon. It's, sabi ko nga, too little, too late to comply with the campaign promise ngayon. At para lang din sa isa pang darating na eleksyon sa lugar, sa Visayas, kung saan mahina ang numero ng mga
Sinabi nyo na iba yung ugali ni Senator Ang elaborate on that. Sir, your defense po sa ginawa niyong pag-endorse kay Senator
Oo, kilala ko si Senator Amy since 2012, no? Kilala ko si BBM since 2022 sa kampanya. At alam ko kung paano mag-isip at paano magtrabaho si Senator Amy Marcos. Nakita niyo naman yon, totoo yon. Yung meron siyang solusyon lagi, yung Amy solusyon. Hindi niya pinapabayaan ang problema niya, ang problema ng bayan. Hindi niya pinapabayaan ang mga pangako niya. Nagbibigay siya ng solusyon at nag-iisip siya.
Ang tanong po ng mga tao, hindi po ba tayo natakot na mabudot ulit sa isang Marcos?
Sabi ko nga, magkaiba. Si Senator Amy Marcos. Tulad na lang rin ng example ko na hindi parehong tao. At magkaiba din kami ni Pangulo. Iba din si Inday Sara.
Ma'am, yung sa season po ng Office of the Vice President, parang medyo natuwa tayong mga tao na nabanggit niyo na palitan natin yung Office of the Vice President, ang Office of the President. Ma'am, are you more sure now to run for President in 2028?
Siguro, kilala na ako ng mga tao ngayon, no? So, dapat siguro mag-distinguish tayo kung ano yung joke at ano yung hindi joke dahil medyo matagal na rin tayo magkasama lahat. Matagal na rin ako nakikita ng sambayanan sa national stage. So, naiintindihan na nila kung ano yung joke at hindi joke.
VP preparations po for impeachment. Preparation niyo po for impeachment.
We recently had a meeting with the legal team and we were discussing each article of impeachment and discussing the defenses and preparing witnesses according to the evidence and according to the complaint that was presented.
You rift with President Marcos. Do you think you can ever heal the split with President? Can you ever heal the split, the division between you and President Marcos?
I don't think so because we cannot solve the problems of the country. The problem now is that there were campaign promises and we have yet to see those promises in the country.
And it seems like a very personal split between you, not a bad feeling.
No, I already explained why I resigned from the Department of Education, and it was about the Department of Education budget. And I was in that rally in Davao City in January 2023, where I opposed the amendments to the Constitution, the People's Initiative, the PI. So these are legitimate issues with the administration and the government.
Are you angry with him, with President Marcos?
Personally, no. But I am angry because he presented himself as president. He presented himself to run as a candidate for president, and he was voted by the people because of what he said on stage, and we cannot. He cannot deliver on his promises when he was on stage on 2020.
Ma'am, reaction nila po sa sinasabi ni Yusek na Thank you. Atras.
Kabila.
Hindi daw po mataas ang krimen.
Hindi naman po ang ang si Claire Castro Philippine National Police. So dapat tingnan nila yung data ng Philippine National Police at bumaba sila doon sa mga barangay at komunidad para makita nila yung reklamo ng mga tao, lalong-lalo na doon sa mga nangyayari na hindi nare-report sa mga...
Thank you!